No one remember what was our last topic? What was our last topic? Okay. Convert 1D to 2D and 2D to 3D. Right. That is reshaping. Unknown dimension done. Now today we'll see the iteration topic. Guys, before getting into this, what is iteration now? If like this, guys, not at all answering. Anyone, what is iteration? Iteration is nothing but repetition of elements or repetition of particular array or list. Taking it further. Iterating means one by one. Got it. As we deals with multi-dimensional in NumPy, we have 2D, 3D, 4D, right? So we have multi-dimensional arrays in NumPy. We can do this using basic for loop of Python. What we do is iterate of Python. If we iterate on a 1D array, so iterate on elements of the following 1D. Iterating means nothing but going through one by one and going through one by one element. Got it? As we deals with multi-dimensional arrays in NumPy, we can do this using basic loop of Python. By using basic loop, we can do this for multi-dimensional arrays in NumPy. If we iterate on a 1D array, It will go through each element by one. It will be array. It will iterate the elements of one array one by one element to every element. Iterate an element of the following 1D array. Just a minute. चलो guys. For example, to iterate elements of 1D array. I'm so sorry, like I was getting heavy hiccups. Input number as NP. Your array. Just a minute, guys. I'll be back. this code, how it will be implemented. Let's see this. We got printed with 1, 2, 3. Why we got printed with 1, 2, 3? See here. We want to iterate every element. So what we did and import numpy as a we have imported numpy as a we have declared the and here you can see in array by using for loop. We are executing for x in array. Print as 1, 2, 3 arrays. Those numbers are x. Print x. I want to print x. So what we have done here is we have printed 1, 2, 3. This is what it is said to be iteration of elements. Got it. Iterating 2D arrays. In the same way as 1D array, we will be iterating the 2D arrays also. Let's see how it works. I think guys, it's just like we are iterating 1D array, right? Alright, mom. I haven't seen this. Okay, thank you, mom. Because I haven't seen the scripts. I haven't shown you that one day, right? Okay. Let's go with one day again. Let's 1, 2, 3 we got printed. Why iterating? Every element is listed, like every element is read by the using for we have written this and the array. Like one dimensional array by using number we have iterated this thing. Got it. Now let's see 2D array. Let's go with 2D array now. But you know what we'll be writing in two square braces, that is said to be 2D array, like which is a combination of 1D array and is said to be 2D array. Got it. So 2, 3, and loop, like some sort of numpy array will be visited by the iterator. Got it. Every element will be visited and it will be read, and we will get the output. It will be printed as the output. Got it. This is 2D array, right? We got answers 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. This is how it goes. Let's see one more example. We take on each side. Let's see this code. I was importing numpy with 2D array. In array, why is it? We got it. Values. You see here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how many errors I got due to some invalid spaces. You can see that how many errors I got just for indentation, but element, that is only elements with no side by side. It's only single element for each cell. You can see here. You'll be getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every element will be iterated. In iteration process, every element will be iterated and written separately. This is said to be iteration scalar. Got it. We go through all the 2D arrays. Example, iterate on the element of the following. I want to iterate on the elements of the following 3D array. Let's see. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 has been derived. What we are doing here? What we done is we have imported number as np, where array equals to np dot array. That is, we have given 3D elements. For x string, array is print x. I want to print the x, all number of elements. So this is how it is printed. This is how we'll be getting the output. Right. Iterating the array using ND. The function NDiter is a helping function that can be used from very basic to very advanced iterations. What we can do with the NDiter is we can use it for basic level to advanced iterations. It always it solves some basic issues and problems which we face in iteration. Let's go through it with an example. iterating array using and iter, right? Iterating on each scalar element. In basic for loops, iterating through one array, we need to use end loop which can be difficult to write or erase in different high dimension. Right. So we'll be in the setting of each scalar element for the basic for loops, where we'll be iterating through each scalar of an array. So we need to use it for the loops which can be difficult to write for arrays which is very high dimensional. Let's see. Where what we are studying is then helping function that can be used for very basic to very advanced iterations. We solve some basic issues like which we face in iteration or loop. Let's go through it with examples. How will be iterating each scalar element in the basic and for loops which can be difficult to write for arrays with very high dimensionality. Right. Wait guys, I'm coming. Here you can see iterate importing numpy where array equals to numpy dot array where it is a px and 7. It's in an iter array that is print x. I want to print x and we learn numpy dot nd array is print x, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can see that this is how it will be generated. Now let's try this code. see this code. Want to run this. You can see here. As we have and here 1 to 6. That's how in 3D printing 1 to first. Everything will be similar. Every dimension will be similar, but it has to be careful while executed. Next. Next. Enumerator iteration in the numerator. Enumeration means mentioning separate number of something, that is sequence number of something, one by one. Something we can require composed. Is it audible now? Guys, due to network issue, it is not good. Guys, is it audible and visible? Is it visible now? And it is audible. Guys, is it audible? And it is visible, right? I have changed the network. Respond now. That's why I give always mic access. Because whatever the problems you face, you can just be telling that, right? Guys, is it audible now? It is still stucking. So for today, let's see some coding part today. Let's write some basic codes. Because every day we are talking about NumPy and we are forgetting the code, right? Let's do some basic codes. Let's see this. Let's execute some code string. It's already 7:45, right? We have half an hour more, so let's see this. Let's trivialize. I'll be giving you questions. I hope I'll get an answer. Some basic codes. Let's go with some basic codes. Let's write a program. Okay. Let's see the code. What is Armstrong number? Can anyone know this kind of concept? For example, let's take given number is x. So we want to determine whether the given number that x is Armstrong number or not. Armstrong number is nothing but, guys, it is like, it will be very useful, guys. Listen carefully. We can give it for basic program, as a basic program for any Python coding. We can give it in interviews. Listen it carefully. where what we say like Armstrong number as like, or how we can define Armstrong number, right? We can say that a positive integer of n digits is called as Armstrong number. What it is? Positive a positive integer n digits. Guys, are you following me? Are you getting my point? What we call as Armstrong number, a positive integer of n digits, is said to be called Armstrong number. I have written in shortcut as Armstrong number, right? With an order of number of digits. This is what we call it as Armstrong number. If suppose, for example, let's take input equals to 153, where output equals to S. So we have to get whether it is Armstrong number or not. So 153 is Armstrong number or not? Is an Armstrong number. But why? How? See this. We have a formula for this. Just that is A, B, C, D, so on equals to pow. Pow is kind of function with pow. A comma plus pow B comma N we can say pow plus pow C comma N and so on. So now in this format we're gonna write, we're gonna find whether it is Armstrong number or not. One star 1 plus 5 into 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 into 3. We'll be dividing the whole number into some sort of digits. What we are doing, we are multiplicating everything and we are adding. That is 3 into 3. Now, what will be getting? The first 25, 25 5 is 125. 125 plus 9 3s are 27 plus 3. How much we get? Finally 153, right? So this will be the output. Whatever we write, if it obeys this law, then it is said to be an Armstrong number. Got it? This is how we will be telling it as Armstrong number. Let's see with an example how it works. Well, let me take n equals to some sort of 149, where s equals to n, where b equals to s is nothing but where we are assigning the input value. We are assigning the input value, that is n, to particular variable, that is s. Got it? N is nothing but n is an integer of an input. So we are taking the input from user. So that input is assigned to the variable, that is s, where b equals to sum. Will be using len function, len string of n. So now sum of sum 1 equals to 0. I'm taking sum 1 equals to 0 while I was using while loop. While n percentile, so not n percentile, no, n exponential equals to like 0. where R equals to n percentile 10. Sum of sum 1 to sum 1 plus R the power of B. Right. Now we'll be giving n equals to or n n 10. Okay. S double equals to sum 1 that is we are using while loop, right? Now I want to print something. Print something that is print the given number is the given number is the given number. What is the given number? The variable is S, right? We'll be writing this. Given number is S. The given number comma S is to be printed, or if else we'll be getting the value we are writing if else. Print what it should print the given number here I have written the given number is Armstrong, right? Now here what we write is given number is not Armstrong number. Not. If it satisfies the criteria, we'll be writing the given number is Armstrong number. If it doesn't satisfy the criteria, we'll be getting this. It is not Armstrong. Let's run this. Somewhere I have missed the code. Yeah, we have to end it with colon, right? Oh my god. Let me check again. This is how you can see the given number is 149 is not Armstrong number. Check how it is not, why it is not Armstrong number. Let's check it. 1 into 1, you know, right? We know by using this formula, right? 1 1 1, that is, we'll get 3, some plus 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, plus getting 9 9s are 81, 81 nines. Actually, even I don't know. 81 nines and another 9. Or something we'll get. So now by adding this we'll be getting 149. No, right. This is how we'll be finding out the Armstrong number. I hope you understand this concept. Guys, are you following me? Are you getting me? Guys, are you getting me? Here what happens is 149 will be checked that it is equals to 0 or not. Like if we divide it with some sort of 10, here you can see this. If I divide n number with 149, so if it will check if it is not equal to 0, it will enter into a loop. If it is equals to 0, then the loop will be stopped. Got it? If it is not equals to 0, it will be entering into a loop. So that for the next step, it will be getting into some cube number. That is, we are doing right 1 into 1 into 1, 2 into 4 into 4 into 4, 3 times. We'll be getting the cube of the number of particular sum. That's what I have written here. Sum 1 plus R star B. Right. So that then this step gives us the quotient of the number. So once we get the, until we get the remainder as 0, this particular what it is, iteration will be going on. Iteration will not stop until we get the number is equals to 0. I hope it's clear. Guys, is it clear? Guys, anyone there? Is it clear? Have you got an idea of Armstrong's number, about Armstrong number? Anyone? Raise your hands. Any doubts? You got the clarity, ma? Any doubts? If any doubts, you can give any kind of reaction so that I got to know you have doubts or should I clear anything. You just ping it on question and answer box, or else you can directly tell me. I'll be checking the question and answer box, because this thing you can even give it when you go for interview. If they ask for any Python basic program, you can write this kind of programs. Armstrong number is one of the program among that. Got it? Any doubts? If no doubts, just give me some kind of thumbs up so that I can get it. You don't have any doubts. Because if someone has doubt in this concept, I can clear, right? If any doubts are there, I can clear so that I can go for some other code. These codes are very important. I hope it's better to note or take a screenshot. I'll be keeping the screen like this. It will be useful for you when you go for an interview or any kind of coding, like technical practice or technical round. You'll be Armstrong number is one of the most asked concept in exams in previous, like in TCS or Cognizant. These kind of competitive exams in for job, they'll be asking this kind of questions. Got it? No doubts, right? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. If you don't respond, it's all right. Any doubts in today's class? I'll be leaving you fast today. Like by 8:15, I'll be leaving you. Any doubts? Do you like this coding session, or is it boring? Of course, class is almost complete. You can speak, because I am not beating you or I'm not scolding you for silly things. I just want to interact with you guys. That's it. Is it fast or slow? What should I improve? You can give the suggestions so that I can teach you in that way. All right. Yeah, ma, which PPT you want? I'll send you once, like before the end of the session, I'll be sending you, like not today's session. Like we have some 45 days class, right? 45 days to 1 month, 1.5 months. By that session, I'll be sending you Yeah, okay, sure. I'll be sending you. I'll be sending you the PPTs. And one more thing, I have told you one project, that is rock paper scissors. I have told you that I'll be sending it. I'll be sending everything before the session, before all classes will close. Right. Once the session is over, before that I'll be sending you. Maybe the last day or before that. Like almost we have more PPTs to do. Like even OOPS concept, we have one separate PPT. NumPy, SkyPy, MATLAB, we have some other separate PPT. Like that. I'll be sending everything before the class. Before the classes get over, okay? No worries about that. The group will be like that. We'll be sending it. Any doubts for today's class? No doubts, right? Okay. I'm closing the session now. You can go. You can leave. And thank you for being quiet, for no disturbance. You can leave. Thank you. Have a good day.